Welcome to a small backyard that proves even a tiny backyard garden can feel like a full outdoor retreat. In this tour, we'll walk through a colorful American ranch-style outdoor space that blends structure, balance, and charm. Every layer here tells a story of calm, color, and connection, turning limited space into something truly special. Let's explore how small garden design harmony, lighting, and greenery bring life to this cozy backyard. As we step in small garden, the first impression is harmony. Every hedge and plant seems to know its place, creating a frame that guides your eyes naturally. The greenery feels soft yet intentional, a quiet rhythm that defines the layout of this small backyard. The backyard design keeps maintenance low while maximizing structure. Boxwoods outline the patio, evergreens add privacy, and soft perennials add life through color. It's a backyard landscape that stays neat year-round, perfect for homeowners who love order without overwork. And just beyond this calm green edge, the small garden invites you to sit and stay a while. Where comfort meets the quiet rhythm of the outdoors. This small patio corner feels like an extension of the home's garden. Black rattan or bistro chairs, plush cushions, and a round table are the focal points of this tiny backyard. Simple, inviting, and timeless. Proof that comfort doesn't require a large space. The materials were chosen for their durability. Weather-resistant furniture and lightweight fabrics maintain a casual yet elegant atmosphere. Each piece of furniture perfectly matches the backyard layout, allowing conversation and views to flow smoothly. Here, you'll experience how outdoor living feels as comfortable as indoors. As the light begins to fade, the next secret of the garden in the small backyard begins to be revealed. A play of colors that changes every hour. Now, the small garden is vibrant with color. Layered pots, purple flowers, and touches of yellow create warmth against the backdrop of a small backyard dotted with evergreens. A serene symphony, the colors are used not for decoration, but for emotion. The secret lies in coordination. Pairing bright annuals with soft greens creates visual depth. Seasonal plants are rotated throughout the year to keep the look fresh, from spring petals to autumn hues. These layers of color add dimension, making even a small yard feel full and expressive. As the sun sets, light meets texture, and the mood changes again. We have entered the garden's golden age. As daylight fades, lighting becomes a storyteller. The soft glow along the backyard path, the warm reflection off the table. Everything feels calm and connected. The backyard design draws your attention, bringing tranquility. Instead of blinding light, dim decorative lighting creates depth and mood. The key is to accentuate without overdoing it, focusing on the lines of the foliage and the comfort of the seating. This is a small backyard idea that transforms the evening into an experience. And now, as night begins to fall, the backyard garden reveals its final layer. Not just a space, but a reflection of peace and home. Under the night sky, the small backyard glowed softly, a perfect harmony of green, light, and texture. Every corner felt personal, alive, and connected to the rhythms of everyday life. What made this transformation special wasn't the scale, but the thoughtfulness. Every plant, every light, every curve of the path spoke of balance and purpose. The small backyard became more than just a garden. It became an outdoor retreat for the heart. And with that, the tour ended, but the backyard inspiration began. Because every small space, when cared for with purpose, can blossom into something lasting. This small backyard shows us that beauty isn't about size. It's about harmony, balance, and care. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your current backyard garden, small changes can transform everything. Which part inspired you most? The structured greenery or the cozy patio flow? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more small backyard ideas and ranch-style garden inspiration every week. Your dream outdoor space might be closer than you think.